Hello students, today in reasoning class we will do chapter 5. Chapter 5 Grouping. Grouping is the arrangement of figures, pictures, objects, etc. in a group. In this chapter you will learn 4 types of questions on grouping. Type 1. In this type of question you have to look at the pictures, things or numbers closely, then you put them into groups of 2 and 3. Okay, we see an example. Put this candy in a group of 2s. 2, 2, 2 and 2. We get 4 groups and each group has 2 candy. Now put this candy in 3's group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 2 groups and each group has 3 candy. Type 2. In this type of questions, you have to find out the particular figure, pictures or object present in which group. See the example. Now find which group has this candy. This one. Type 3. In this type of questions, you have to find the number of group 2's and 3's of the given things or objects. See the example. Now tell me how many equal groups are here. Here are 3 equal groups and each group has 3 candy. Here are 2 groups and each group has 4 candy. Okay. Type 4. In this type of questions, you have to find the number of items that are required to form equal groups. See the example. Look at this candy. How many more candies do you need to form 4 equal groups of 3 candies? One group, 2 group, 3 group. One group is left and we need 2 more candy to complete 4th group. If we add 2 more candy in this group, then we get 4 equal groups of with 3 candy. See the example 1. There are 4 equal groups of dash toys. Here are 4 groups and now you count the toys. Each group has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 toys. Our answer is A. Next, which group has the figure star? You find in these groups which group has this figure. In the group C, we find out this shape. Okay, click on C. There are dash group of 3 toys. Now we get how many groups formed with the 3 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. Option B. Look at the pictures. How many more butterflies do you need to form 4 equal groups of 3 butterflies? देखिए 1, 2, 3. For the 4th group, we need 2 more butterflies. because each group has 3 butterflies. Only one butterfly is left. Then our answer is C. Exercise question first. Which group has a figure diamond? Search in all the groups. Which group has this shape? Option is R. Second question. There are dash groups of 4 triangles each. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third group. There are 3 groups of 4 triangles each. Option B. How many more groups of toes will you have from the kites given below? Each group has 2 kites. Now we circle on 2 kites. How many groups are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on the option B. There are dash group of 4 bikes each. We make the group with 4 bikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 2 groups. There are 2 groups of 4 bikes each. Option B. Question number 5. There are 3 groups of dash toys each. Now we put these toys in 3 groups. Firstly count these toys card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you divide 9 with 3 because we formed 3 groups. 3 3s are 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Each group has 3 toys. Question number 6. There are 3 groups of dash cups each. We put all these cups in 3 groups. Firstly we count these all cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we divide 12 with 3. 3 4s are 12. Each group has 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 3 groups. 1, 2, 3 and each group has 4 cups. There are dash groups of 4 circle each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 groups of 4 circles each. Question number 8. Which group has the figure this? आपको ये shapes सर्च करनी है. Find in the first group, no. Second group, no. In the third group, yes. Click on the option R. Here is option B. There are dash apples in each group. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 groups and each group has 4 apples. Our answer is A. Question number 10. There are dash keywords in each group. Here are 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And each group has 1, 2, 3, 3 keywords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 keywords in each group. Now click on the option B. This is your homework for today. Do these 10 questions in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.